they put his, I can't remember if it's like a cousin on the stand to start out the trial. The keys were the keys to the deceased car. All right. We asked the family member on the stand, and you went to the police department after the fact. She goes, yes, ma'am. A few days later, you retrieved the keys. Yes. You took the keys home. Yes. They were the keys to the deceased car. Yes. The jury's just looking at us like, what in the world does this have to do with anything?
And that was it. Christy's like, thank you so much. No further questions. That was it.
And the state's just like, who cares about the keys? Yeah. And they're all just like, I'm sorry you have to be here. I'm so sorry for the demise of your loved one. Now let's talk about the keys. And so then they put on, I think the next witness is like the patrol officer. Is that right, Kara? Vega?
They had a couple witnesses after that, but later on, they put on the patrol officer that showed up at the scene immediately following. And it was like a mic drop moment when Christy cross-examined that patrol officer.
Give it to us right here, Christy. I want to hear it.
Some people think cross-examination has to be mean, that you have to just go for the jugular. And sometimes there is a time that you have to do that, okay? But then there's also times, and I find really the more effective cross-examination is when you very politely get to the point that turns the case around and you make the state's witness your witness. And so the state put on this witness. He's a patrol officer. He happened to be among the first officers to the scene. Now, when the deceased is on the ground, you have MedStar get there. They're trying to save his life. After the police have tried to save his life, you really see the best of humanity, people trying to save someone's life. That was this officer.